Man's actuality is meditation. We may be aware of it or we may not. We may know it or we may not. But meditation is our inner core. Meditation never died in India, but its river has remained flowing, constantly, eternally. It flows today, it will flow tomorrow also. That is the only hope for man, because the day meditation dies, man will also die. India, the birthplace of Patanjali, Buddha, Krishna, and Osho. Seekers have reached to the ultimate explosion of consciousness here. The vibration is still alive in the very air. You just need a certain perceptivity, a certain capacity to receive the invisible that surrounds this strange land. It is all over the place. One just needs to be attentive, conscious, open, and receptive. Yoga Essence Rishikesh, a meditation and yoga ashram in India, prominent for imparting the deeper experiential and transformational aspects of yogic practices.
I had a really positive experience here, and I have to say that I was also very lucky with my co-meditators. We were a really good group of people, and you could just feel a very strong energy from day one, and it's been great. I will keep these memories for the rest of my life, and the meditation techniques as well.
We did a lot of techniques, which is great. I was not able to move, to dance, free movement. I was very blocked in that sense, of free movement, and now I really love singing, dancing. It's like when we play kirtan or something, oh my god, this one is coming, yeah. So that's amazing. And yeah, we went really deep in the meditation. I really like that one. We connect a lot with ourselves, going through layers, staying within, looking within, and that was amazing, yeah. So thank you very much, universe, for sending me here, and our journey is starting now.
We provide a solid platform for learning and experiencing the true essence of meditation, yoga, and yoga nidra.
The true gift of being here was really the life-changing techniques.
Really, if you're looking for a place to continue or start your inner journey, this is a place to come to.
But it's about meditation by experiencing it first. So, and in that way, you also go deep within, and this is the inner journey that starts from day one.
It was life-transforming.
Our teachings hold a unique synthesis of practices. Covering different traditions, paths, and schools.
Life is the greatest teacher. Life is the greatest each and every person in our life, each and every situation in our life can be a great teacher, can teach the ultimate lessons of life, how to live life peacefully, joyfully, and harmoniously.
Our ashram is a home to seekers from all over the world who have called our programs a truly life-transformational and spiritual experience.
The most important change that brought in my life, it was here, like deep inside, in my mind, in my heart, and like whole consciousness.
This is a perfect place. Anybody who is looking for a complete transformation of your mind, of your body, of your feelings, emotions, you name it, you will experience a truly different state of mind at Yoga Essence.
I am happy to say that I did learn a lot, and that I will be able to have more of a meditative practice when I go back home in my life and also in my teaching.
We take special care in providing a safe, comfortable, and proper yogic environment to students who find harmony within for the growth and expansion of their consciousness. An entry into the Himalayas with the Ganges flowing by its side. Rishikesh, a land vibrating with high yogic energy fields. Rishikesh, also known as Tapobhumi, means the practice ground of yoga and meditation of many sages and saints since ancient times.
When we are open, we are receptive, we are aware, this greatest teacher that sitting inside us awaken, and we move into deeper experience, deeper understanding that makes our life a constant celebration, a constant flow of joy, love, and peace.
The yogic energy fields and the spiritual power of Rishikesh makes the inner journey easier and deeper.
Wonderful spot right in the heart of Rishikesh near the Ganges. It's beautiful, and it will fill your heart with joy. You will learn a lot, and you will come back for more.
I'm here at Yoga Essence to do meditation teacher training, which also include yoga nidra. It's something that I've always wanted to do. For me, I feel that yoga is one aspect, meditation is another aspect. So if I can combine both together and use this knowledge and what I've learned from Yoga Essence to share it to everyone.
Swami Samarth, the founder, as I said, he is practicing it for a long time, and the best part about it is what he preach, he practice. He lives the life what he is giving to us.
Meditation is understanding our body and its nature, understanding our breath and the energy phenomenon, understanding our mind, our thought process, and the activity of the mind.
found really a place where you can join the real yoga. You will find a lot of different kinds of yoga all around the world, but here you can find the real one. That is not just asana or just meditation practices, but is the real inner journey.
This experience was unbelievable transformation for me, deep inside. Besides the fact that I learned what is yoga, what is the purpose of yoga, philosophy of yoga, sutras and asana, how to stay in the posture.
Thank you.